Top next level gadgets and inventions that are worth it. If you're like most people, you're always on the lookout for the latest and greatest gadgets, whether it is a new smartphone, tablet, or even a pair of headphones. We all love to get our hands on the latest and greatest technology. But what about those gadgets that are truly next level? The ones that are so innovative and original that they make you say, wow! Today, we've collected some of the most amazing gadgets and inventions that we think fit that bill. From a smart key organizer to a cam solution, these gadgets are sure to wow you. So let's get into the video. Number 1. KeySmart Max. The KeySmart Max is a handy key organizer that will help you keep your keys organized and within easy reach. It also includes an LED flashlight and tile Bluetooth key finder technology, making it a great choice for those who are always on the go. The KeySmart Max is made of durable stainless steel and can hold up to 12 keys. It also has a built-in LED flashlight that is perfect for finding your way in the dark or emergencies. The tile Bluetooth key finder technology allows you to locate your keys if they are lost or stolen. The KeySmart Max is a great choice for those who are always on the go and need a reliable way to keep their keys organized and within easy reach. It is also a great choice for those who want more security with their key organization. The built-in LED flashlight and tile Bluetooth key finder technology make the KeySmart Max a must-have for anyone who is always on the go. Number 2. Xmars Cube. Xmars is the world's only patented AI robot cube with 70 million views. Xmars self-scrambling, self-timing, teaching beginners, playing music and more. It is truly the ultimate puzzle for any skill level. The Xmars Cube is a 3x3x3 puzzle cube that comes with an AI feature called Mars. This allows the cube to self-scramble, self-time, and even teach beginners how to solve the cube. The cube also has a built-in speaker, so it can play music while you solve it. The Xmars Cube is truly ultimate puzzle for any skill level. We highly recommend it to anyone who loves puzzles, or even if you're just looking for a unique gift idea. Number 3. Asvelo Smart Desk Lamp. Asvelo Smart Desk Lamp. The Asvelo Smart Desk Lamp is a sleek and stylish lamp that is perfect for any desk or table. The lamp has a built-in wireless charger that makes it easy to charge your devices, and the lamp also featured an LED light that can be used as a reading light or a night light. The Asvelo Smart Lamp is a great choice for any home or office. This exceptional LED desk lamp is a great way to add some light to your life. With 56 LEDs, it provides plenty of light for any task you need to do. The 128 adjustable joint and 180-degree swivel arm make it easy to position the light just where you need it. Moreover, the AI dimming mode lets you adjust the light from 2700K to 6500K to get just the right light for any situation. So whether you're working on a project, reading a book, or just need some extra light, the Asvelo LED desk lamp is a great choice. Number 4. Circuit Joy Machine. Looking for a small and portable machine that can help you make customized label, cards, and crafts? Check out the Circuit Joy Machine. This smart machine is perfect for DIY projects big and small. Its compact size makes it easy to transport and set up, while its wide range of compatible materials including iron-on vinyl paper and smart materials means that you can use it for all sorts of projects. Plus, its easy-to-use design means that even beginners can get great results. So if you're looking for a versatile and user-friendly machine to help you take your crafting to the next level, the Circuit Joy Machine is a great option. Number 5. Paxs Twin Legs. If you're looking for a backpack that will do the packing and unpacking a breeze, the Paxs Twin Legs is a perfect choice. This backpack features 2 zippered compartments that make it easy to organize your gear, plus a swing-out design that make it easy to access everything you need. Plus, the comfortable straps and padded back panel make it easy to carry, even when fully loaded. Whether you are headed out for a weekend hike or a week-long backpacking trip, the Paxs Twin Legs backpack will help you keep your gear organized and within reach. Number 6. Dorsum Exospine. You know how debilitating it can be if you suffer from back pain. It can make it difficult to sit or stand for long periods of time and can even make it hard to get a good night's sleep. The Dorsum Exospine is a personal body support device that can help reduce risk of injury and improve your quality of life. The Exospine is a wearable device that attaches to your clothing and provides support for your spine. It helps keep your spine in alignment and takes the pressure off your back muscles. helping reduce pain and fatigue. The Exospine can be worn all the day and can even be worn while you sleep. If you're looking for a way to reduce your back pain and improve your quality of life, the Dorsum Exospine may be right for you. Number 7. Viking Arm Handled Jack. The Viking Arm is an innovative handled jack that can be used for a variety of purposes. It is perfect for lifting, pressing, or tightening with precision and control. With its versatile design, the Viking Arm can handle any task you throw at it. Whether you need to lift a heavy object or simply adjust a small screw, the Viking Arm is up to the task. And because it is handled, you can take it with you wherever you go. So next time you are faced with a challenging task, reach for the Viking Arm and get the job done right. The versatile design of the Viking Arm makes it perfect for any task, big or small. The Viking Arm is the perfect tool for lifting, pressing, or tightening with precision and control. Number 8. Metal Wall Panel. Metal wall panel systems are eco-friendly and often recyclable or made of recycled materials. They are a popular choice for architectural applications because they are sustainable and provide a variety of design options. Metal wall panels can be used to create an industrial look or a more modern aesthetics, depending on the chosen material and finish. There are many benefits to using metal wall panels, including their durability, fire resistance, and energy efficiency. Metal wall panel systems can be an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice for your next building project. Number 9. KingSong S22. The S22 from KingSong is a high-end, high-performance electric unicycle that offers a ton of features and power. With all this power and new features come to a higher price tag. But if you are looking for the best of the best, the S22 is definitely worth a look. The biggest selling point of S22 is undoubtedly its power. With a 2200-watt motor and a top speed of over 30 mph, it's one of the fastest electric unicycle on the market. It also has a great range, thanks to its large 72V battery pack. Combined with regenerative braking and an efficient motor, the S22 can go for over 50 miles on a single charge. The S22 also features a number of other improvements over the S18. The most noticeable is the 20-inch wheel, which offers better stability and a smoother ride than the smaller wheels on previous models. The S22 is also the first KingSong unicycle to feature airless, tubeless tires. These not only make for a smoother ride, but they are also much more puncture resistant. Number 10. ET Antibacterial Titanium Tool. Looking for a versatile and durable camping tool? Look no further than the ET. This all-in-one utensil is made from pure titanium and perfect for cooking and eating. Its sleek design makes it easy to clean, and its titanium construction gives it excellent antibacterial properties. Whether you're cooking up a storm or just enjoying a simple meal, the ET is the perfect tool for the job. Number 11. Auxiliary Advanced Restyle Shirts of the Future. Auxiliaries Advanced Restyle Shirts of the Future are designed with 6 unique ultra-performance features. They are perfect for dressing with superior style and achieving a flawless look. You'll enjoy incredible comfort, breathability, and durability with these shirts. Plus, they are easy to care for and come in a variety of colors and styles. So, what are you waiting for? Get your hands on a shirt from Auxiliary today. Number 12. Union, a shape-shifting hyper-capable multi-tool. When it comes to multi-tools, there is simply no one-size-fits-all solution. Depending on the specific task, you might need a different set of tools. That's where Union comes in. It's a high versatile and adaptable multi-tool that can be customized to suit your needs. With Union, you get a comprehensive set of tools that can tackle just about any task, big or small. The tool's main body serves as a comfortable and sturdy handle, while the various attachments including a knife, saw, file, screwdriver, and pliers can be swapped out as needed. And because Union is made from high-quality materials, it's built to last. No matter what you need a multi-tool for, Union has you covered. It is ultimate solution for anyone who wants a versatile, reliable, and highly customizable tool. Number 13. Handled Pot Gripper and Camp Kitchen Solution. Looking for a pot gripper or camp kitchen solution that is easy to use and clean? Look no further than the handled pot gripper from GSI Outdoors. This durable pot gripper is made of stainless steel and features a comfortable, ergonomic handle that make it easy to grip and lift hot pots and pans. The handled pot gripper is also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. So that was all for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.